Oh, God. Are you serious? The more we'll say. I couldn't stay away. I am pop hunting right now. My friend Michael. What's up, Mike? No, you should shake your head. It's bad.
He's back. Look at this, guys.
And they moved it to this wall. So this is the first one I picked up. I'm not really into the Fortnite ones, but like.
No, he is.
Shut up! I'm doing this for them. The little llama looks really cool. So we're gonna pick this one up, and we got so many other choices. Green Giants. I don't eat my vegetables, so.
Show them my favorite.
What? Which one?
Ben Franklin.
Oh, where is that one?
Right there.
Right here? Okay, so those are the presidents. Who would? Wait, no.
Ben Franklin's not a president.
I was going to correct myself. I was going to.
He was a founding father.
Cut that. So we got the Spider-Man Far From Home. Molten Man?
Yeah, look at
That's
that.
cool. Okay. I wonder if they got any DC stuff.
Uh-oh.
Dude, it's right next to Marvel, too. Wonder Woman. And it's a Hot Topic exclusive. I don't have this one. So
You know what you have to do?
You know I have a shrine, right? So
you need to get it.
This is a lot of money. Well, but I get a savings. If I get one more, I only spend $27. Boy, that's a great deal. I have never seen this in my life. Like
What?
Like I don't know if it's an instant buy, but it is so cute. I'm not saying. Wait,
Amar.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, God. Are you serious? No. I just bought this one.
Well,
Do I take it back? Do I keep it? What do I do?
get both. Get the big one.
It's gonna be like $30.
It's worth it.
We're in box lunch now, by the way. So finally, got to put Wonder Woman in my mouth. Oh, there's kids here. I thought we were filming Pops.
No. Look at this.
No, okay. So we came here. We're at the Jordan sign, and I saw these. Are these a comp or not? Like, I like them. $150. They better be nice.
Dude, that's only...
We can't talk about what I spent on those Yeezys. They'll be in a video soon. Okay, yeah, sorry. You're right. This is actually really cheap. That is not funny, Michael. They are the most comfortable shoes in the world. And I really want to go get another pair. But because you're making fun of me...
You're going to get 2 pair.
Mario Maker, Dashie, and I'm not going to play it, but I'm not going to play it on camera, but like, Dashie, this is for you. Is this a picture?
No, it's a video.
Explain this Superman to me, because you said the Jim Lee collection.
Yeah.
Who is Jim Lee? Is it Stan Lee's brother? I don't know.
Comic book artist.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Hi, Jim. You want to sponsor my video? All right, so we are done shopping. GameStop. We got box lunch, and we got Hot Topic. So how about we get to the house and unbox these? Too much stuff, Michael. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. I've got lots of bags and I'm home. No. All right, so thanks for coming shopping with me. Let's start with the DC stuff first. So I know. Oh God, and I have the prices here too. So this one, total $20. But here it is right here. Now, I know you normally are used to me, but this is the hard plastic. I'm gonna tear my hands up if I do it. So we're gonna be nice today. Okay, so let's take it. Oh, wait, does this fold or something? No, okay, it's just a stand. Wow, that is unique. I have never seen a pop quite like this. A moment like this. Some people wait a lifetime. Sorry. But yeah, that's the back. This is a very, very unique pop. This is the Hot Topic one. At Hot Topic, I end up paying how much? $23 for 2 pops. I know. I could have got the special for 3 for $27, but I couldn't find a third one there that I wanted. This is that Wonder Woman one. Now, this is the Amazonia one. It's a Hot Topic exclusive, so I don't have this one. I had no choice. Oh, wait, it has a stand. Thank goodness. I think I stick it in the wrong way. Oh, yes. Check out my girlfriend there. She doesn't know it yet because I'm just being a stalker and very inappropriate, but yeah, she's my girlfriend. Love me some Wonder Woman. As you know, well, if you don't know, I have a Wonder Woman shrine. I have issues, please help me. This one was like, what, 10, 12 bucks? This one, First of all, wow, the difference. This one's 40. And I know. Listen, I buy it so that you don't have to, or that you be like, oh, that exists. I definitely want that. So yes, these are the two exactly same pops. Matter of fact, this one says 5'10", this one says 5'11". So I didn't even know this. At first, I didn't know this existed. I was actually excited about getting the Loot Llama because I don't really like all the Fortnite pops, but I like the Loot Llama. I did not know that this bad baby existed. So let's open them up. That's how I am with the Loot Llamas. I promise. This is the Loot Llama. Oh, thank you, camera, for cooperating. Get very close there. I just like the way this one looks. You know, it has a little saddle thing. And you can eat the insides. Ah! No, it's not working. Ow! Ah! Okay, so if you put the two together, we'll do it like that. Exactly identical in terms of the material. Everything looks identical. I will just show you the big one since, like, you know, it's the big one. Teehee. Wow. Let me know which one you like the most between the two. Which one do you want to buy? Like, if you're into Fortnite or you just think these are cool. I mean, I bought both because that's what I do. But which one would you buy? Like, I recommend this one if you're just into pops because it's cute. You can probably find it cheaper than what I got it for. If I find a link, I'll put it below. And it's just like, it's just really, really cute. But like, if you're that collector guy, you've got to check out and get this one. And I will find a link for this below too. So the two Loot Llamas, one big, one small, gotta have them all. Pokemon. I heard that there's a Wonder Woman Jim Lee edition. I need to find it. If you find it, can you let me know so I can get it? Because it's supposed to be like this. And you know how I am about my Wonder Woman, man. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you seeing my journey. Thank you to my friend Michael for filming for me. He's always the best. And yeah, let me know if you'd like to see videos like that again. Just thumb up the video. You enjoyed it? Thumb up. Even if you don't comment, be like, let me just click that thumb, get out of here. All right, talk to y'all later.